F80 all washed after that Vegas trip. I literally needed to wash so bad. I should have showed it before, but that whole Vegas trip, I did not wash it at all. So going to Vegas and back, this shit was hella dirty. And I think I did show it in one of the vlogs. There was a bunch of like tire right here from just rubbing on the tire. Cause I had luggage in the trunk and it was just so much weight. Just, I don't know. It sucks. You can't put no passengers in here. Can't put no weight in here. Or also a rub. It sucks because it's like a fun daily. Very fun car, but it's not practical, huh? Being this slow. Very annoying with the lip scraping, the diffuser scraping. Now the tires rubbing. That low life. But it looks good. I love it. Shout out to my boy washing my car like always. He literally washes my car all the time, guys. Him or David are the only people who wash my car, literally. But it looks super good. We did the outside, we did the inside. Sick. I got a detailer in LA, a detailer in IE. And now we're about to head to meet up with the homie Kevin. He's with a bunch of other BMW homies. I think there's a big car meet tonight that we might hit. Back to the LA vlogs again. Vegas was sick. I hope you guys enjoyed all the SEMA content. I split it into like 3 or 4 videos, I think. I could have easily filmed more in Vegas too, but I just didn't. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that SEMA content. Anyways, I was talking to a homie. I'm like, you think we should wrap the car? I might wrap it, guys. I was debating on it. I don't know. I love this colorway, the gray with the black wheels, but I'm kind of getting over it. I don't know. I want to change it up. I know you can change the entire look of this car. If we wrap it and change the wheel color, like powder coat the T's a different color, and do a wrap, this car will look like a whole different car. I'm debating on doing it. You guys already know what color I want to do. Either like a new color or a color that I've done before in all my cars, which you guys already know. But I'm debating on doing it. Wrap, new wheel color, and new brake color. Like change up everything, all the colors. It'll look like a brand new car. Guys, we made it. We are like one of the first ones at the meet. I actually didn't drive. As you guys seen, I came in the M8.
We're so late.
Pulled up with the homie Nick. Why? Pulled up in the M8. Kevin brought the M4 though. I just didn't bring my car. This is my seat right here.
Look at that. You see people asking where your car? Whack. Full whack.
What's up, bro? Nice to meet you. No, I came with the homie.
You rode passenger princess today.
I came passenger today. I be driving too much, guys. We jumped the whole Vegas trip. Everything. Look at the Z. Sick ass wheels, bro, and sick ass fitment. That shit actually nice. That shit hella clean. Okay. Bet. You guys know, I literally found the Z06 online yesterday. Last night I almost did an impulse and pulled out another car loan. I went to go get this vet. I found the vet. It's in Vegas too. It's all black. It looks sick. Someone better not go get it before I do. But it's actually really clean. And I kind of want to go get it, guys. You guys know how much I want a vet. I feel like I could probably add another car to the fleet. Another little small car payment won't hurt. I just get very impulsive sometimes. I just want to go and buy something. So we might get a vet on the channel soon. I don't know. I just have to just pull the trigger and do it. It's always scary getting a car, guys. Or just pulling that trigger, making the jump to buy another car. It's very scary. First of all, the GTR was hella scary because it was very expensive. One of my most expensive cars I bought. And I was super scared, but I did it. I just pulled the trigger and look, it worked out. F80, same way. I was a little bit scared at first, but I just did it because I've been wanting it for so long. And now the vet, adding a third car, actually fourth car, because we're gonna have the E46 back soon. It's scary, but I kind of want to pull the trigger because I know I can do it, bro. You can't be scared to take the risk sometimes, guys. Look at this thing, R33. Sheesh, or one of these, huh? It's scary, guys. It's scary to pull the trigger on something like that, a big purchase. But you just gotta remember that. You just gotta really work hard, guys. This is another thing I wanna buy, but this is scary, guys. This is a big risk because it's a very expensive car. And honestly, in order to get an R8, I definitely have to let go of the GTR. Also, I'm gonna be giving you guys life updates. Also, I think I'm moving to LA in a couple months, guys. Looking for apartments right now, and that's another payment. Think about it, $2,000 rent, you can literally get a Huracan freaking loan. But your boy Nick gotta grow up. I see all the comments too, people saying, when are you gonna move out though? Look at this. This sounds sick. Pro charge? I am. I think I'm gonna move to LA soon, guys. Thankfully, I have a supportive girl, as you guys have been seeing in the vlogs, and she has her own place in LA. So I've been just staying there. She lets me stay there. She literally helps me out so much by doing that alone, but she does so much more too. But I do think soon I'm gonna get my own place. So that's another thing I gotta keep in mind. I really wanna get the R8, but I don't know if it's a smart move right now. I know I could do it if I sell the GTR. R8 would be so freaking fun. You guys know I want a supercar. Definitely an achievement of mine that I want to make happen, but will it be a smart business move for the YouTube channel? I'm not too sure. I don't know if the content with R8 will do as good as maybe something like that, or another BMW, or something cool, you know what I mean? R8s are cool and all, but I've seen from experience and other YouTubers, supercars don't do that good on YouTube. What's up, brother?
Gee, these cars are too fast for me, bro.
Why?
I don't think I can keep up with these cars.
Yeah, you could. You got the GTS. Definitely will be fun. You guys know I want R8 this year too. Different wheels, maybe TEs. I know my boy Kicks did TEs on the R8 first. He's over there actually. I'm gonna go say what's up to him, but TEs, imagine, slammed, G80 or a G80. There's way too many cars that I want, guys. As you can tell, I want way too many cars. I'm trying to play real life Forza over here. What's up, Doug? Bro, I came at a passenger today.
Passenger princess?
Passenger princess.
Give us some dome.
Kicks brought the S15. Sheesh. Is that Jimmy? Oh shit, what the fuck? I didn't even see him, bro. Look at Jimmy's Supra. Dude, I haven't even seen it.
Yeah, right?
Literally, I have not seen it, but you guys all know Jimmy with all the freaking cars. He's the one playing real life Forza. He got the R32, had the R32, had a Vet, had a E46. What else he had? He had a MK4 Supra. I think he still has it. Now he has an MK5 Supra. Jimmy has had so many cars, bro. Oh, he's had the NSX too, the red one. Holy crap, Jimmy, he had so many cars. This is his Mark V Supra, guys, and it's so freaking clean. He just picked it up maybe like 2 months ago, and it already has TEs. It's already slammed. It already has carbon fiber all over. My boy Jimmy did not wait. This would also be a fun car to have, like something like this setup or like Gustavo's setup would be sick. I was actually talking to Gustavo about it recently, and he said, why don't you get a Mark V Supra? I think people would want to see that on the channel. That's true. I feel like this car would actually do good on YouTube. Even though a lot of people have probably already done it already, probably would do good on YouTube. Yeah, that's just fire. Mine would definitely look like this, I think. I love like the OEM plus look, bro. And then Kicks got the polished wheels. Look, you want to polish one of my TEs, guys. On the GTR when I get it back, or even on that Fady would look fire. But yeah, that shit nice. It's a gas food. GTR. Sheesh. Another F80. Yasmarina blue. F80 is just so clean, guys. I swear it's the best car. If you guys ever want to drive one, if you guys want a fun daily that's pretty reliable too, I would say, and stick shifts, I would say an F80, bro. You can put your homies in it, except for mine, because mine's too low. Your homies in it. It could be stick shift. It's a good track car. It could be a good drift car. Good daily. I put 4 GTR tires in there once too. It's a perfect daily, bro. Yeah, that shit has to be fast, huh? Yeah, a tire on the back. And guess what's behind me, guys? Oh my god, dude. Oh, I hate seeing these cars because it makes me sad. Red interior too, with the red steering wheel. Oh my god. Oh, you saw the interior?
Yes,
I know, look what's behind it.
That would be me.
That's you and that's me? You got the years out there. Nah. The daily and then the race car. Those are the only 2 cars you need, honestly, in your garage. And you'll be happy forever, I
Both of
think.
them orange, I'm soft.
Alright, you ruined it with the orange, brother. Orange? I'll throw that shit away.
You're
I'm just kidding. Oof. Damn, even a Performante? They got all the sick ass Lambos here. Well, if they park all together, it'll be sick. Performante, SVJ, Urus, all white.
You gotta get the baby. What's up? Vlog, bro, you gotta get the baby.
Hey!
She loves FindingNick, bro.
Oh, that's
She
tight.
watches your videos all the time.
Thank you,
How
bro.
you guys
I appreciate
doing?
that. Good, chilling. That is Sean, huh? Sheesh. But the McLaren? Boy, that Performante is fire, dude.
Dude, look how it looks.
So
Imagine it
sick.
orange.
Nah, no more orange, Kevin.
You gotta get 570.
Bro, Kevin has an orange room. Have you noticed that?
We need the
Blankets are orange.
Blankets are orange, underwear are orange.
Who knows what else is orange?
Can't believe Sean came.
Hey, 4 months ago, straight from
Kevin has everything orange, bro. What color underwear are you wearing?
Yeah, exactly.
Let me see, bro. If it's orange, I'm gonna trip out.
Probably has a badge on it too.
Chill, bro. Look at this guy.
It's back.
You want to see this too? I'll show you.
It's orange.
Damn, dude. I low-key forgot about him for a little bit. Because everyone's driving STOs and shit. That shit looks way better
That's the hardest
than
one.
all of them, for sure.
Jimmy's is my favorite.
Rich. We're all just filming him. This is hard. shit sounds so good. Bro, look what's pulling up, guys. R32, R33, bunch of sick cars. R32 is also another car I want. Guys, I want way too many freaking cars. I gotta work harder. I gotta post more, bro. We gotta start doing 2 vlogs a day. Every day. God damn. Bronze TE, that's so fire. GT3 RS. Oh, bunch of sick cars. Look, it looks like Jay's G80. You guys remember we saw Jay in Vegas this weekend? I literally haven't seen Jay. Prior to that, the last time I saw Jay was probably like 4 months ago, bro. Bro, this fool pulled up in the Hummer. You guys know what's funny? That is actually the Hummer that we drove in one of the vlogs. It's Arion's old Hummer. He sold it to him, one of the homies. A Ferrari. Damn. Another vet, C6. And another vet, another C6. And another one. What the heck? A whole squad of C6s. You trying to sell it? So sick. What's up? Let me buy it, bro. Another one. Bro, it's hella C6s. Let me know in the comments, guys. What's the best Corvette out? It has to be the C6. Rich? Rich Kevin or what? Okay. That's Kevin's like dream car, guys.
See, I want to pull up in the Cullinan.
Really?
Yes.
Orange? With orange interior?
Yes, with my orange RM, you know?
Yes.
Orange strap.
With a bunch of girls in the back?
Oh, yeah.
Bro, how many Corvettes are here?
A lot. Too many.
Oh, there's at least like 12. All the same C6s. Damn, now that shit is nice, guys. That's a Urus Performante. They're like the new ones. Inside is so sick.
It's a perfect spec right there.
That's carbon roof?
And the hood.
You know Lambo had the carbon roof too. Lambo
Dashes.
He had the carbon roof, carbon hood, full Alcantara inside. That color is hard. That's actually paint, guys. Probably one of the nicest BMW paint. Bro, that shit nice. Carbon hood on it? Well, the other homie has a carbon hood too. Let's go find it, bro. Gustavo? Oh my god. That literally looks like Gustavo's car right there. Exactly, bro. That shit is so nice. Damn. Guys, look at my boy's G82 M4. It's just so clean. Carbon hood, new wheels, new hood. Bro, it looks so good. You got the hat? Jeez. Bro, it looks so good with the hood and the wheels. That's just fire. Look at EQ and got the lip pass. So fire, bro. Oh my god. Bro, that made so fast. Oh. And it's just stock. I can't believe that. Yeah. So sketchy. I don't know how they do it on the bike. Cars. Honestly, passenger's the wave, bro. I can't film when I'm driving, guys. It's way better being a passenger than recording. Look at this 720. All right, guys, this is the second spot. Like always, they take over a whole gas station. This is actually the second gas station. This isn't even the main one. All the way over there, and there's also like 10 cop cars plus a helicopter. Again, like I said, it's way different than Vegas, bro. Vegas, there was like an hour-long car meet with no... In Vegas, bro, there was like an hour-long car meet with burnouts, everything, and no cops came. Over here,
already here.
The cops are already there before we even get there.
So glad I have my plates on.
California cops, I feel like are more smarter. I feel like the California cops are smarter and they're on Instagram and they know the locations before us. I love Eddie's car, my boy. That's just so nice with the new carbon hood. What's up, bro? Carbon hood and new wheels and new wrap.
That sucks.
A Z got pulled over, guys. How much you wanna bet he's gonna pop the hood? How much you wanna bet, bro? Better be careful, Kevin.
Bro.
This is why I did not drive. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I'm ever coming back to OC. I'm not even gonna lie. It's gotten so bad. It's gone so bad, guys. I haven't been to OC in a long time.
Sucks, bro.
I've been just kicking with Kevin in LA every day, but LA's not this bad yet. But
Will be
OC,
soon. I think, yeah.
look, pop the hood, sir. Pointing the light at me. Over there, there's like 10 cop cars in the parking lot, just waiting for people. Yeah, it's the bumper too, huh? That was the same thing as the last video too. The FRS that got pulled over and got his hood popped had no front bumper either. I feel like it just kind of causes attention, bro. Wait, what? He let him go. Wow, he let him go, bro.
Big toe, man.
You got lucky. I know there's another one right here. Right here, right here, right here. This one. This one right here. This one right here. That guy.
He looked up at you.
You got no plates. Illegal mods, illegal exhaust.
Illegal guy.
Illegal guy. Drugs in the car.
Hey, what the? You're
Just kidding.
bro.
Be careful, there's helicopters. Look, you can see the lights over there. At least the M8 looks pretty low key. Looks like we just trying to get home. We don't like these little street racers, you know?
Mine's like low key.
Yeah, your shit.
Nah, your shit looks like a freaking race car. The wing? I'm for sure pulling over because of the wing. There's so many cops. That's crazy. Good thing I didn't bring my loud ass in, please. They literally blocked the whole street.
He's looking.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26.